Unió was founded in 1942 with the aim of bettering the living conditions of farmers by improving the processing and marketing of the agricultural products produced by all of the member cooperatives. 75 years later, Unió brings together the output of more than 180 cooperatives based in the east of Spain, in the Mediterranean side. Unió currently sells more nuts than any other Spanish cooperative. From our state-of-the-art processing plant in the city of Rios, we offer a wide range of products made from the finest varieties of almonds and hazelnuts from our lands. In the olive oil sector, Unió has become the #1 bottler of quality oils in the region. An excellent example of this are the oils from Siurana, Terra Alta, and Les Garrigues, protected designations of origin, oils that enjoy considerable prestige in local as well as international markets. In the wine sector, Unió stands out as a leader in the marketing and sale of renowned wines from the Priorat qualified designation of origin and the Montsant, Terra Alta, and Tarragona designations of origin. Unió's position of leadership is based on the continuous improvement of our processes and products. The success we've had with some of our innovation product has gained us the recognition of both public and private entities. Every link along Unió's value chain is essential, from our fields and the exceptional produce we grow in them, to the effort, dedication, and enthusiasm of our producer partners, to the exacting processing methods. The result are Mediterranean products of the highest quality that are highly valued in local markets and in over 30 countries we export to. All of our business activities are rooted in our vision of sustainability. We are firmly committed to caring for the land, reducing waste wherever possible, and advancing the circular economy. Unió will continue to grow in the future, and it will do so with a genuine commitment to the values that have always defined us, a sincere commitment to our land and to the people who work it, and to offering our customers and consumers healthy Mediterranean products of the best quality they can trust with absolute confidence.